Don't know how to drive, huh? Can't drive? Too fucking stupid? Yeah, you know how to drive?
The fire has just been reported, see, the emergency vehicles.
Oh, okay, they're coming.
Yep. I'm not moving.
Oh my god! Holy shit! Fucking shit. Thank you. Like, how did he hit you? Fucking pissed. Hey, are you okay? Oh my god.
They might be able to pull it just as a part of the emergency room stuff. PWZ287.
Oh, fucking shit.
Sorry, babe.
Sorry, lad, this woman's just crashed into me,
Oh,
so...
did you?
No.
It's alright, you shouldn't have gone into the back of me, should you? That's what happens.
Did I go into the back of you?
Yeah, when you're impatient.
There's a dash cam there. You're on video crashing into me.
Okay.
You stopped your car, you got out, you had road rage, and then you crashed into me.
You had road rage, you had road rage.
And then you just...
You had road
You
rage.
beeped your horn.
Mate?
You beeped your horn. Now
You did.
shut your
Now,
mouth.
there's no need
Don't
to
you
beep it on
start.
just because I didn't pull out off the roundabout quick enough for you.
And then you crashed
were the one
into
that were
me.
impatient.
No, you crashed into us.
No, she crashed...
You
Mate,
crashed into
come
us.
here. Come here. Mate, there's a dash cam. Are you giving you details? You crashed into me and you're driven off. Are you giving you details?
What do you do?
Well, that'll be calling the police. Are you failing to provide details?
Your registration number's there.
And your name?
Jane.
Jane.
Yeah.
And your insurance company?
Direct line.
Direct line. All right.
You beep like that, you would have bastard.
You crashed into me and she's just said I hit her.
Oh, no, you crashed
And you're on
into her.
dash cam.
You crashed into
I've
her.
got a dash cam, you're on
I don't
video.
give a bollocks.
All right, mate. You're on video, so I'll be calling the police.
All right, bollocks.
All right, so the police can ring you and they'll ask what's going on.
Go suck it.
I'll suck it.
Show me the dash cam then.
Show you the dash cam?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the windscreen, love.
Do you want to shout out?
not end this. Let's just get Caramoon on such a cheap way.
Okay.
Make it free. I didn't pick it. Why'd you give it to him? Oh, that's what. Holy shit, exciting.
Oh my god. Huh? If you want, yeah. I recorded that, sir.
Did you see him?
Yeah, I have it on dash cam.
Thank you, brother.